Well, a drone in the sky flying over New Jersey. Residents are growing more frustrated by the day as drones continue to fly over the Garden State.
A lot of questions about who's operating these drones. They were spotted near military research facilities, sounding some alarms. Lawmakers now getting involved, calling on federal agencies to step in and put an end to this unwanted and potentially threatening air traffic. Our correspondent Christina Thompson joins us live in New York City with the latest. Christina, good morning.
Good morning. People in these neighborhoods in New Jersey, they're freaked out by this as they look at these drones. They're not the typical hobbyist drones that one might expect to be flying around in their neighborhood. These are larger and they're appearing in clusters. I want to show you what one resident in his New Jersey neighborhood filmed and said as he was filming it.
There are literally dozens of drones flying around. More drones in the sky. Rockaway, New Jersey. Buzzing around, looking around.
The FBI was on Capitol Hill. Yesterday. They're being questioned about this by lawmakers. They say they did start investigating these nighttime drone flights, which did start happening last month across central New Jersey and up into New York in some parts. The flights have raised questions in part because they took place near the Picatinny Arsenal, a U.S. military facility, and over President-elect Donald Trump's golf course in Bedminster. They've asked the public for help. Since then, residents have reported seeing drones in other areas. Governor Phil Murphy noted there were 49 reports of drones on Sunday, mostly in Hunterdon County. The Democratic governor said those numbers included possible sightings and potentially the same drone being reported more than once. He did say this is something they're taking deadly seriously, and he says he does not blame people for being frustrated, but also that there's no threat to the public at this point. Linda Ziemba is the founder of AeroDefense, an airspace security company. She says that drones can potentially be a security threat to companies. But if these drones are keeping their lights on at night, if they're not trying to be discreet, then they may not be a bad actor.
Today represent a cybersecurity threat. They could fly what's called a rogue access point in, which could compromise a corporate network. So it's important to maintain airspace awareness really 24/7, 365, because drone incidents happen so quickly.
Ziemba says if this is something that you are concerned about, to take preventative measures. They have the technology where they can put it in place for your company or for your home to start guarding you, kind of like a security system in advance, because once these drone attacks of trying to steal your data, your information happen, they're very hard to start once they stop, but they can be prevented. Now, Governor Phil Murphy is also expected to speak on this today. Back to you.
All right, just bizarre. Christina Thompson, thank you very much.